Good afternoon everyone, my name is Vikas Uchi. Today we are going to discuss the topic that is the government of Karnataka. First I will discuss data in 20 minutes. First discuss data who is the governor. Governor is the first person of the state, that is the state is Karnataka. He is appointed by the president. He is the central member, is appointed by the president. His tenure is 35 years. The necessity is for the governor is that he should be not below 35 years of age. That is, he should be above 35 years of age. And the next one is he should not be a member of the legislative council or the parliament, and he should not be the government employee, etc. There are from 1956 there are 18 governors in Karnataka. The first governor of Karnataka is Maharaja Jayachamaraja Odayar. His tenure is from 1950 to 1956. The other people who become the governor of Karnataka were the politicians and the normal members. Next V.V. Giri, who was one of the governor of Karnataka, became the fourth president of India. Next, Gopal Swarup Pathak, who was also the governor of Karnataka, became the fourth vice president of Karnataka. Next is lady named is the first lady to become the governor of Karnataka. His tenure is from 1999 to 2002. She is one of the chief election commissioner. She is also the chief election commissioner of the India state, and the governor it only depends upon the president. If the president is satisfied with the work of the governor, then he will be continued. Otherwise, he will be removed from his post because of contention. Thank you.
My teammate Akhilesh explained who is a governor and what is the tenure of a governor. Now I will be discussing about the list of governors. Since 1956, there have been 18 governors of Karnataka. So now let us discuss the 18 governors of Karnataka. First governor of Karnataka was Jayachamaraja Odayar. Okay. So these are the governors of Karnataka, and Thawarchand Gehlot became governor of Karnataka from July 11, 2021. So a governor has mainly four powers, mainly executive powers, judicial powers, legislative powers and emergency powers. First one is executive powers, second one is judicial powers, third one is legislative powers, and fourth one is emergency powers. So in case of executive powers, a governor can appoint prime ministers and advocates. That is the executive power of a governor. In case of judicial powers, a governor assists the president in the appointment of judges. That is the judicial power of a governor. Next, in case of legislative powers, a governor addresses both the houses of the parliament, and his assent should be there on every papers, whatever the bills or whatever bills. So his assent should be there or compulsory in every bills or papers. Next, in case of emergency powers, in case of state emergency, a governor acts as a state head. A governor acts as a state head. Now, let us discuss few points about Thawarchand Gehlot. Thawarchand Gehlot became the governor of Karnataka July 11, 2021. He was born on 18th May 1948. Tawarchand Gehlot was born and brought up in Madhya Pradesh, and he is the first governor of Karnataka hailing from Madhya Pradesh. So Tawarchand Gehlot is regarded as one of the most prominent Indian ministers, or politician. He held the position of social justice and empowerment from 2014 to 2021. So he is regarded as one of the prominent Indian politicians because he held the position of Minister of Social Justice and Empowerment from 2014 to 2021. Next, Tawarchand Gehlot was also the leader of the upper house of the parliament. So that's about Tawarchand Gehlot. And Tawarchand Gehlot was also a minister or member of Bharatiya Janata Party's parliamentary board and central election committee. This is about Tawarchand Gehlot, who is the president governor of Karnataka. So today we learned about who is the governor, what is the tenure of a governor, and the 19 governors of Karnataka, and we learned what are the powers of a governor, and we learned a few things about Tawarchand Gehlot, who is the president governor of Karnataka. So this is what we learned. Thank you.